Hey Double Dippers, welcome to another exciting day at Disney World here in Hollywood Studios. I'm about to get on Slinky Dog Dash and I will see you in just a moment. Hey Koina, you ready for some Disney? You ready to go to Hollywood Studios?
I think they're allowing some people in. Yeah, they're allowing people. Okay. Oh yeah, that's stupid. Why would they change that? Because there's that gas station. Good job, boys.
We made it in. Are we going to Runaway Railway or Star Wars first?
We have to go to Runaway Railway because we cannot get return time with him because we got it and he's away from us.
Okay. Hey Kona man.
You gotta wait for him to go sleep.
Don't worry people, it's only 15 minutes before the park opens.
And literally crazy.
It's what a pandemic looks like at Disney. The pandemic of people. Toy Story Land. So exciting. We're shrinking down to the size of a toy. There's Toy Story Mania's line.
No line.
This is Slinky Dog Dash.
Hello there! I'm trying to stay calm up here because Jessie told me it's not the time to panic. This is the perfect time to panic.
So funny.
20 minutes, that's not bad. We're over here by Alien Swirling Saucers. Right there is where we got our boarding passes last time in a triumphant celebration. I've just ordered my first lemon blueberry lunchbox tart. I ordered a $5 Pop-Tart. Let's see how it tastes. How is it?
It's really good.
Very crumbly.
Yeah. It's like pie crust. It's like a mini blueberry pie.
It smells really good. I can smell the jam or whatever it is.
It's chocolate.
Oh. Yeah, this is very, very crumbly.
And Bryson, you can have some too. We just broke it off, except for Grant, who's fine.
I don't want it. I don't care. I didn't want it either way.
Very sugary,
Yeah.
but it's good. It's definitely better than a Pop-Tart. It's a lunchbox treat.
It's a
Something like that.
$5 Pop-Tart.
What else do they have here? 'Cause some of them have like tater tots and
They have a
gravy
ton of
on it,
stuff.
and that looked amazing.
We might have to eat here for lunch.
Yeah.
Hey everybody! Why doesn't Woody's pal Bullseye talk?
Why?
Because he's a little horse.
So I got best in vehicle, of course, along with Kona. Kona and I did the best.
He cheated somehow.
I got 167-100.
I got 145.4, and Bryson got like 120.
123.
Yeah.
My accuracy was 21%.
Mine was 24.
No, yours was 32. Mine was 25.
They've definitely outdone themselves with merchandise. We got this awesome Swirling Saucers mug. Kona's grabbing the camera. Got your Luxo balls. This is right here in front of Slinky Dog Dash. I'm waiting for them to get off so I can go ride. I've got Kona with me. They've got the Slinky Dog Dash vehicle, which I tried to get the first time we went here, and it was sold out. $20. That mug was $25, by the way. I always wanted a Zurg. I would have bought all of these toys. Oh, Kona, try to eat the camera. I'm sorry. Walking into Galaxy's Edge. Got the soda droid cart.
You can make your own lighter.
There's the build your own droid. Heading into towards the what's it called? Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run. There it is. There's the name. Always super cool to be in here. Lots of people. Lots and lots of people.
Yeah, I've seen this on Disney.
There's your blue milk and green milk stand.
Sounds gross.
It's like a slushy smoothie kind of deal. Oh wow, they've opened up the back so you go outside of the park. We got our Ronto wrap. We got no slaw or whatever. We're over here at Backlot Express because that's where Bryson got his food. This was actually the first place I ate on Disney property. And I got probably what he got, which was a burger. Did you have a good nappy? Yeah. I love you. So I got this achievement last time, but I didn't get the pin. So I'm hoping to come get the pin now.
That one, right?
Yes.
Okay, or that one?
This one.
Okay.
And do y'all have pin trading here?
No, unfortunately we don't. The round information booth called Crossroads, they do.
Okay.
Across the street, it's Sid's Cawangus Antique Shop. They've got a huge board there.
Okay.
And then Movie Land has got a small board there.
Thank you so much.
Okay, we gotta get that one.
And that one. Wow, they have some
Got
good
Big Al. I guess we're supposed to, just grab them.
Bryson, do you like any of them? Do we just...
Oh, they have two of them. I don't have either of those.
Okay, one.
I think this is
Two.
a self-service situation.
Okay. 3.
These are extremely difficult to get off here.
Okay, I want this one. And I want the Mohana hook. That's 4. There's big one.
Alright.
Any
That
more?
one's fake.
I want the ice cream cone too.
Oh, that's real. Alright.
Bryson, do you see any that you want, man? Oh, Grant, what about that one?
It looks good.
You don't see any that you like?
I think we've pretty sure
that's
limit.
good.
Okay.
Yep.
No, I've never been in here. There's a bunch of signed posters and stuff, and like sketches. This is cool.
I like the Mickey one.
There's even more behind the counter there. There's a massive board over there. Oh wow, the original Shaggy Dog. No, there was an original. They're missing a couple pieces of this puzzle. Here we go. The big board. Holy crap.
The big board.
Wow.
The big board of pins.
Well, dang, that's a big pin.
Yeah, somebody just gave it.
Holy crap, that's a huge print.
Wow.
Do they have one of your copies in your hand?
I like the Oswald.
Oh, I do like the Oswald one too.
There's an Oswald one? Wait.
The pink right there.
Right here.
Oh, I see.
Oh, I like the boat from Peter Pan. The Dapper Dan.
I'll look actually. Because I cannot see it. You just tell me how many you need to trade there, okay? This one actually.
Oh, I like the Goofy one.
Do you like the Epcot one?
Yeah. Need that for my hat. Oh, they have two Oswald. They got the pink one and they got the green
I like
one.
this. I want the pink one. You can have the green one.
Oh, that's cool. Boarding passes or trading cards, playing cards, whatever.
Okay.
These?
I can see.
So you just trade a pin for a pin?
Yep.
I like the Dapper Dan and Epcot.
Oh, babe. What country bear is this one?
Oh, that's the Chase country. That's the one I have, but that's the Chase.
I don't know what that
Hey, there's another dwarf.
When there's a set, there's always like a mystery one.
You can get one here. Okay. Do we just get them off the board, or? You can grab them. Oh, okay. Grant, get the one. How many do you get?
I'll grab
So
one, 2.
3. How many more? I have more bins. That's
I
4.
like the Star Wars one, but I don't want to. Is there a limit to how many we can
It's
take?
2 per person.
Okay.
There's 3 right there, so you can get 3 more. Okay, I want this awesome one. That's 4. Bryson, do you want one?
Sure. I like the Star Wars one.
Okay, then get it. Alright, that's 4. So 5. Grant, you get one more.
Unless you see a one, I think we're good.
1 second, I'm looking.
I like the bolt one.
Yeah?
Oh, there's a silver one.
Yeah. Oh, babe, there's the Aloha one from It's a Small World.
Yeah, well, I would like the color one instead of the silver one.
Oh, that's fine. Okay, Bryson, you get to pick one.
Okay, I'm gonna get the bolt.
Alright, I'm gonna count how many there is. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hope you have a fun day.
Alright, so we're over here by the Adventure Outpost,
Oh, wow. No,
and a couple of other people have joined us. One other person.
Yeah, it's kind of overflowing.
We're trying to get our boarding passes, which go up in 8 minutes. We don't know what we're doing. We're just freaking out.
Holy heck,
We're
yeah,
probably
mine's at
overthinking this.
101.
Yeah.
Mine's at 101 to mine. Grant, test your phone real quick.
So we are on Disney Wi-Fi.
Disney is in your
We got
hand.
4
Everyone's gonna-
minutes.
Everyone's stopping looking at their phones.
Everyone's gonna be.
I really want to be
That's
in Star Wars
terrible.
right now just to see what's happening.
That's probably gonna be. I mean, everyone's gonna be on the same Wi-Fi, but it's probably gonna be more hijacked there because everyone's over there.
Yeah.
I mean, it's probably not how it works, but that's
Yeah,
probably.
there's literally
That
no
chick
one
has like
here.
disappeared into
Yeah, she just
The nowhere.
Yeah,
appeared.
it was 20 over there, but it's like 80 over here. I
Yeah.
think places that aren't populated are the best
Right.
because not everyone's going on the same wire.
Okay, we still got a minute to go though.
Watch them release it fast earlier though.
They wouldn't.
They did last time though. Lift up your leg, baby, or something.
I was really appreciating the leverage I had though.
Oh man, I'm connected to the Villages Google Fi.
Okay, here we go. We're in the last minute here.
Yeah, it's garbage.
It's all or nothing,
It's
everybody.
counting down that clock too. It's 1 minute.
It's all or nothing,
Oh, it's
everybody.
loading way slower now. Look at that.
Yeah, watch it.
See if you can.
I'm going to do the test speed with internet. Hold on,
Go
let me
ahead.
get off that website.
I'm not. You have 1 minute though, so I mean, this is it.
Yeah, okay, Smart TV Telecom. Oh yeah, it's at 30, 39.
With Wi-Fi?
With Wi-Fi.
Do I need to
40.
get off Wi-Fi?
No, stay on Wi-Fi. It's,
All right.
it's still over 25.
Okay.
All right,
My
everybody.
Google Fi is way worse. Now what is the... Oh yeah, the download speed's like at 100. Yeah. Oh no, upload speed is at like 100, yeah.
Getting
Okay.
there.
You need to get rid of that notification, woman.
Oh,
man. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go. Join, join, join. Go, 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 go.
It's loading.
Let's go. Confirm, confirm. Join. Go, go.
Oh.
No, did we not get it?
Join.
Join.
Hurry, 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 hurry.
Join.
Something went wrong.
It's gone. They're gone. No Rise of the Resistance today, everybody. It was gone in I don't know how many seconds.
It's gone less than 1. Ugh, the app stalled. It broke.
Yep. So we were on Wi-Fi.
Yep. It's full.
How many are there?
It doesn't tell you. It just says it's full. I'm sorry, babe.
That's fine.
Of course the app just wanted...
All right, everybody. No Rise of the Resistance today. maybe next time.
Hold it right there. Which one of you is the leader? First order. That's good. Seated and stays that way. Correct. Looks like we've got a future squad leader. Well done.
So each area is controlled by.
Activity has been reported.
Each area is owned by a separate group, and this area is owned by the First Order. Where Rise of Resistance is a resistance base that's owned by the Resistance. So we're in the bad guy area. And then the marketplace is just a common ground.
I'm keeping my eye on you.
So I'm not sure if we said this, but we didn't get. Oh wait, yeah, we definitely showed that we did not get a boarding group. But we are waiting in line for the store. Not the one with the smash box. It's $75.
What's that? Is that what you're getting?
It's the Rise of the Resistance vehicle.
Oh. How expensive is it?
$75.
Ooh. No way.
It's probably one of the best they've ever made.
Such a good animatronic. I guess it's in its idle state.
We're boarding the Millennium Falcon. Smuggler's Run. What? Are you excited?
Wait 85 hours, 35 minutes. We got fast pass.
We're going.
So we just stand? Is that the whole ride?
No, we're gonna sit in. You can either be a pilot, a gunner, or a mechanic or something. Engineer. That's the way. And we each have a job. We each have a job, and we have to press buttons, or we crash.
Pressing buttons.
Oh man, about to enter the pilot.
Oh man,
See?
two pilots.
Welcome, welcome.
Oh.
Right this way, my friends. Come closer, come closer. You're back. I did not think I would see you again after the incident. You're braver than I thought. You will be intercepting a first order train shipment of coaxium.
Oh man.
Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers,
We actually have to
you
steer
are
this,
aboard
so
that
pay
precious
attention.
cargo. Move on, my friends. See you in the cockpit. I won't be in the cockpit, of course. It's thinking of. You're still here. Go, go.
Oh, here we go.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings.
Pilot.
Por favor.
All right. One of us controls up and down. One of us controls left and right.
I would go up and down. So, how is this? Oh, you actually have to go.
Oh, okay. I'm left and right. But
All right, once you get seatbelt in, just pull on the yellow strap for me, please. Thank you. Thank you.
yeah, we hit a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
All right, I'm making an executive decision. Everybody out. Go on, get out.
All available techs, we have a Corellian
What did you think,
freighter that
Ryan?
needs
That
immediate
was fun.
transport back to the
I
maintenance
wish I
bay.
knew, like, beforehand when I sat down or something. Oh,
Better fix all that before the Wookiee sees it.
We broke the ship. It's a little sparky.
Hey, it was fun either way.
We're about to get back on Slinky Dog. The wait time said an hour, but it's been
30 minutes.
30 minutes exact. So, pretty dang good. There we go. Bye sign. Never expect that person. faster in the back. We're in the very, very back.
Like, we get home
Maybe. It's broken. Here we are with my freshly matted hair at Aerosmith's Rock and Roller Coaster. Bryson is super hyped. This will be his first time riding the Rock and Roller Coaster.
Oh, they have a car one?
It'll be my 1,257,298 time.
Congrats, man. I like how you ride.
Ian, write that number that I just said on the screen so I can see it. Thank you. I'm going to say something very important so Ian can't cut that part out since it was at the end of the clip. That over there is Lightning McQueen's Racing Academy. On the other side of the wall, Bryson, on the other side of this wall is a show for kids.
Man.
But we are not seeing it
I'm not
today.
a kid today.
Today?
Today I'm not a kid.
Today you decided not to be a kid? You heard it here. Decided not to be a kid. So I'm not sure if Disney's out there watching this, but on my last vlog, I pointed out how faded this old poster was. And then like a week later, they replaced it.
Cover your mouth and nose when
Just
coughing
saying.
and sneezing, and maintain
If you're listening,
physical
Disney,
distancing. Thank
I would
you
like a
for your
job.
cooperation.
And I'd like it in the big paychecks. All right. Bryson also wants a job.
Yeah, give me a job. Natural food taster.
So I never thought about this, but like the front of the tower is missing because it disappeared into like the whatever dimension. But the sign is still here. Did like the mystical forces that be put the sign there after they took away the front of the building? And also there's a roof line like right there, so I don't know. Anyway, we're almost inside the Rock and Roll Coaster. We're moving really rapidly now.
Are we going on a roller coaster?
Yeah.
I feel like it.
See, all of these are Hanes t-shirts. Crap, why did we stop? There's Pink Floyd Dark Side of the Moon tour. That shirt's gotta be worth hundreds of dollars. Alright, let's go. This is where the pre-show was.
So did they have the actual people in there?
Yeah, on the screen back there. And it's supposed to look like they're in the recording booth.
Oh.
Another one bites the dust. Yeah, this is totally a Queen ride, not an Aerosmith ride. That's why that kick drum says Aerosmith and not Queen. But we won't stop playing
right
Queen
there.
songs. It's a zappity zoopity.
I love zappity zoopities. I'm not as confident anymore.
Does it scare you that much now? Are you scared?
I think it's gonna be worth it though.
It's gonna be super fun, Bryson. We're gonna get front row or back row.
Back row is probably the worst place if you're starting this.
I don't know which one's better on this one because I like being up front just because of the takeoff, but technically the back is the fastest.
Hopefully we don't get back.
Bryson, it only goes 65.
It only goes 65? Oh,
Only 65.
Oh, that's tough.
We're kind of up front. We're in the third car. Are you excited?
People just zoom.
Yeah, I got a wrist strap.
Perfect. Just make sure it stays below your chest.
Okay. So now I know. I was gonna hold it like right here anyway, so we're Gucci. I've done this with just my iPhone before, Bryson. Just
I would
gripping it
not.
to
Yeah,
death.
I would not trust that.
I was gripping it with like both hands, and the footage sucks, but it was
I'm just waiting for the
worth it.
zoom.
Your chariot awaits, Bryson.
Yeah, I know.
For your safety,
There we go.
hold the shoulder restraint until it locks in place. Keep your head against the headrest and remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. Put any loose items on the floor and be sure to watch your
I'm gonna take
hands.
this off.
Entonces,
I just don't
con
want to do that.
seguridad, tiren de la barra hasta que se cierre con un clic. Mantengan la cabeza contra el reposacabezas y permanezcan sentados con las manos,
My palms are
brazos,
sweaty.
pies y piernas dentro de la
Any last
piscina.
words, Bryson?
Asegúrense de colocar sus efectos personales en el piso y de
No.
vigilar a sus niños.
I don't have any clever last words.
They don't have to be clever. They just need to be whatever you need to leave for your family.
give my Fortnite collection to my.
All right, Aerosmith is taking the stage. Whoa, check out Steven Tyler's hat. Okay, Ellie, crank it up, because we're
It'll count down, Bryson.
What?
It will count down. It'll say 3, 2, 1, and then it'll go.
Freeway jam. Better be jamming. You're just gonna record my whole reaction?
Yeah.
Oh, this is abuse. So this goes like 75?
65. It's either 60 or 65, one or the other.
Just making sure this is Imagine your mask just falls off. I'm going so fast. My hands are sweaty. Or maybe it's just this, but jeez.
You're gonna want to put your head firmly against your headrest, Bryson.
Why?
Because it will slam it back. Otherwise, it'll hurt. Uh-oh. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Holy crap! Fake out, or is it the exit?
We're done.
Oh my gosh.
What do you think?
That was great. That was great.
Grab your magic band before you forget.
Yeah. Hopefully it's still in there.
It should be.
You see nothing on that GoPro.
Yeah, it's fine. You hear our words.
Dang.
It's
That was
fine
good.
because like you can literally leave a bag on the floor and it won't go anywhere because of the force downward when we go in a spiral. It keeps everything down.
I would love to ride that again sometime, but it's probably too late for that now.
Maybe.
But that was great.
See, if there was single rider still, we'd be able to do it pretty easy.
Exit to your right and rock on.
All right, grab your magic band.
Oh my gosh, Grant. And there was cameras.
Yeah.
Wow.
It takes your picture right as we launch, so we'll see what that face looks like.
I like the music though. It was pretty well. I like it.
Yeah. Where is our picture? It hasn't showed up yet, I don't think.
I think it's no, that's not. No, that's not it.
Where is it at? Or they just changed? Oh, right here.
Yeah, it's right.
Oh, right there.
I can't. What did you say?
It's my favorite ride now. I would 100 out of 10. Would do
Of
again.
all of the parks?
Yes.
Cool. Hey, Corner Man.
Oh,
That was great.
Hey, Corner Man.
I actually.
Did you have fun with Kiki?
yeah.
Yeah, Grant. Right after I saw that Zoom, I'm like, oh.
Ain't a body.
Yeah, you're like. There's a track right there. What are you talking about? There's a track right there. What are you talking about?
Only right here. It's just for looks. It's okay. It's on a track. You believe what you want to believe on a track. Okay, that's
Hey, Corner, you ready to ride it again? In our last ride of the day, almost front row on Runaway Railway with the Corner Man.
Can't see him.
I can see him for now. Now I can't.
Testing. This thing on. Can you all hear me way back in the back?
Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hi, folks. How you doing? Hey, Mickey and William.
So, we're just gonna take a brief break.
What the heck is happening? What?
It was cool. Just chilling. Runaway Railway. All right, see if we can spot hidden Mickeys. I look at the crabs.
Attention riders, we have temporarily stopped Mickey and Minnie's
No way.
Runaway Railway. Please remain seated. Attention train passengers, please remain seated. Your Runaway Railway will now resume.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah. Mickey and Mrs. Beckman,
Yeah.
your flower.
What is the audio gonna come back?
Yeah. There it is.
At least they didn't just freeze her, so she's not super creepy. She's like looking around. She's just like, "You're ready?" She's waiting for us to respond. Should we tell her what we're ready? This is like a children's program, like, do we all have to shout, "We're ready"?
Cole's like, I want to turn around.
Attention train passengers, please remain seated. Your Runaway Railway will now resume.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1.
Excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's
Conga!
Oh wow, man. These are like ears that are crunching right here, but now they're light.
Huh.
And we
Oh, we're moving.
I know, you're supposed to.
We got to enjoy every scene.
That concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me.
That was stop number 4.
Yeah. No. 3?
I think it was 4.
He still plays it even after.
Yeah.
Oh, there goes the door, and there's another train behind us. 1901, the date above that passage, is the date Disney was born. Alright, thanks for watching, Double Dippers. Okay, you can't see me at all. Never mind. Alright, this is probably... Oh, crap. The sign went off that was lighting my face. Alright, Double Dippers, that concludes our day at Hollywood Studios. I'd like to thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next vlog, whenever that may be.